In project management, you sometimes need to handle multiple projects at a time. It is a challenging task to manage them in an appropriate way. If you are looking for an all-in-one multi-project management template, then you are on the right track. This platform will provide you with an effective and user-friendly template to manage your tasks. Multiple project tracking is actually managing the parameters like time, resources, and multiple tasks for the execution of more than one project at a time is called multiple project tracking. This video will enable you to smartly and effectively manage your tasks. This challenging task is complete by using a smart tool like Multiple Projects Tracking Template. Excel provides us with a variety of templates and tools in the field of project management. One of them is this template that makes the multiple projects to be managed in the best way possible. How to track multiple projects in Excel? Excel provides the best ways to manage multiple projects with the help of useful tools and templates. You can download it from the internet and then open it and create a new project according to your requirements. Project plans are then entered and assigned to the resources. It is a very user-friendly template and multiple tasks can be managed very easily and smoothly. This template will not only track the progress and current status of all the projects but also track if all the projects are within a budget or not. Benefits of Multiple Project Tracking Template. It's always been a challenging and time-taking task to manage multiple tasks and projects at a time. Excel provides ease for the entrepreneurs, businessmen, and managers to get their multiple tasks complete within time as well as track their progress status with the help of beneficial templates. Some of the benefits are as follows. It provides an overall view of each and every project very clearly. It helps you track the progress of each project in a very effective and efficient way. Efficiency is one of the major benefits of multiple project tracking templates, as it provides you with an efficient way of managing multiple projects at a time. It is the easiest, fastest, and most productive way of getting your multiple projects to get completely within the given timeline, and your project will not face any kind of delays. This is a very flexible template and provides you full authority to get your template to customize and use it according to your own company's goals and benefits. You can have full control over things and things can be changed and adjusted according to your need. It will help you break down your task and prioritize the tasks according to their impact on the health of the project. Prioritization keeps you on right track and helps you manage multiple tasks and project the best way possible. Managing and tracking multiple projects is not an easy task. It requires a lot of planning, prioritizing, organizing, and distribution of tasks among the team members. If a manager wants to get himself organized and wants his project to get organized, it is only possible with the help of smart and efficient tools like the Multiple Projects Tracking Template.